We're making a start with some big news that's breaking this minute. Advocate Prashant Bhushan, who was convicted for contempt of court by the Supreme Court with regard to his comments on the Chief Justice of India, will now file a review plea in the apex court. He said that paying the fine does not mean acceptance of the verdict. So that's the big news that's breaking this minute with regards to Prashant Bhushan, who's all set to file a review plea. Remember, this is with regards to the contempt of court, and he was convicted by the Supreme Court. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja for further updates on this. Meenakshi, this is an important development now taking place. Prashant Bhushan there filing a review plea and very categorically putting it out, saying acceptance or paying of the fine does not really mean acceptance of the verdict.
Well, very quickly, Apurva, some perspective for our viewers. The day the Supreme Court had pronounced the quantum verdict on Mr. Prashant Bhushan and imposed this token fine amount of 1 rupee, we had broken the news to our viewers that filing of the review option was always open as far as Mr. Bhushan is concerned. And that very day, Mr. Bhushan had conducted a press conference and he had indicated that he is indeed mulling over the prospect of filing a review, and that news break today has come true. Just a short while back, Mr. Prashant Bhushan had stepped inside the Supreme Court registry to deposit that token fine amount of 1 rupee. And just after having done that, he went on to give a small perspective of how he is viewing this. And like you rightly mentioned, he said this, and I'm quoting, "Just because I'm submitting the fine does not mean I have accepted the verdict. We are filing a review plea today. We have filed a writ petition that must be an appeal procedure created for conviction under contempt," unquote. So clearly, Mr. Prashant Bhushan, as we have seen in the past also play out when the matter was being voluminously argued in the Supreme Court, is of the opinion that this is a case which is a befitting case for a relook or a reconsideration by the Supreme Court, because there are larger questions pertaining to the validity of the contempt of court powers of the Supreme Court, which according to him needs a befitting evaluation at the hands of the top court.
All right. Meenakshi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.